I'm going to be showing you how you can use all three cameras on your iPhone. The selfie camera, the back camera, the wide angle lens, and the regular camera on your iPhone. So what you need to do is you need to open up your Apple App Store, and once you're here, you need to search for this app called Double Take by Filmic Pro. And this app called Double Take by Filmic Pro is a paid app, meaning that some of the features when you use it are going to be disabled, and you're not going to be able to use it because when you try to save your video, you're going to be having the watermark of Double Take app right there. And so open up Double Take by Filmic Pro. And once you're here, what you need to do is you see that you have your front-facing camera, which is right here, the one that I am moving, and then your regular camera is this one right here, the one that has all the video is the back camera right here, you see, and the front-facing camera is this one right here. Then, if you want to expand it, what you need to do is you can click this button to expand it, and then it's going to be expanding it. So click this button to unexpand it. Then, right here, what you have is you have all the settings right here. But one setting that I'm going to be showing you about is the picture-in-picture and the discrete option right here. Because if you use the discrete option when you are recording your video is going to be saved separately when you are using the discrete option. But if you use the picture-in-picture, all your videos are going to be embedded in the same video. Then click right here at the top, and then it says picture-in-picture, then it says split screen, and then you have the discrete right there. And then right here, if you want to change what camera is active, what you need to do, you want to click right here, the camera button, click the camera button. And then right there, you have the option to change your camera. If you want to change your camera, select all the cameras and make sure your camera is not active. And the one that you want to be the A camera is the first one. So I'm going to be doing wide. And then the other one, you see that all your cameras are in black and white. That means that you have not selected a camera. So if you want to select another camera, click on the selfie camera or whatever camera you want. And then you see that you have one where it says ultra wide, that it is in black and white. That means that you have not selected it. And when you select your camera, that means it's not going to be recording in black and white. And then what you have right here at the bottom right here, you have where it says HD30, click that. And then you're going to be having all your selected presets right here. So select preset, HD24, HD25, and HD30. That's the one that you can select right there. Then I selected HD30. Then what you want to do is you can click on confirm. And then what you need to do is to record. You can click the record button right there. But I recommend that if you're going to be recording in portrait mode or in landscape mode, to make sure you have your orientation opened up. So head over to your control center, go to your control center, and make sure your orientation is not locked or it is opened up like this. Make sure it's not locked like this. So open up your orientation, open up like that. And now what you need to do is once you unlock your orientation, you're able to use it in either portrait mode or landscape mode. Now I'm going to be recording a video to show you what it looks like and the option called discrete. So let me head over to discrete right here. Now, the video you are seeing is going to be coming from my iPhone with the discrete mode on. And that means that you're going to be having two videos synced up to this video to show you that it works right here. Now, what we're going to be seeing is we can head over to the iPhone. And once you're on your iPhone, you're going to be seeing that you want to expand it. You can expand it right here, like that. To expand it, you can click that here. To unexpand it, click that. Then, if you do not want to have your video for your selfie camera, you can just move it like this, move it out of the screen, and then it's no longer there. If you want to get it back, click right here where you have the arrow to bring it back, and then your selfie camera is back right there. So exit out right here by turning it off or pausing the video to finish it. Then the other method that we're going to be doing is called the picture-in-picture mode. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording the video again to show you what it looks like when it is in picture-in-picture. So click the record button. Now your video should be in picture-in-picture, and this video should not be cut up, where that means that your video is not in two separate videos. So this video you're seeing should only be in picture-in-picture and in one video. It should not be in two separate videos. So this is what my setup looks like when I am using it right here. This is what it looks like when I am recording a video for YouTube right here. You see? This is what it looks like. Now, if you want to stop your video, click right here, the stop icon, click on it. and then stop your video. Then, if you want to view your video that you have just recorded, you want to click on the memory card icon, where you click on the save icon right here, or the memory card icon, click that. And then right here you see your video that you have created is right here for your gallery right here. And then you see, let me press one, and then you're going to be seeing that your video is right here. This is what the picture-in-picture video looks like when it is done recorded. That means that your picture or your video is not in separate parts, and your freeze cam is right there and your main video is right there. Then the other option that we have is you had this one right here, which means that your back camera is recorded separately and your selfie camera is recorded separately right here. You see, your selfie cam is recorded separately right here for your videos. So that's why I recommend that you either have it in Discrete if you wanted to have two separate videos, but if you wanted to have where your video is embedded in the selfie cam and the back camera, I recommend you have it in picture-in-picture mode. So that's how you can save it right there. Now if you want to save your video, what you need to do is you want to click on the select button right here. Click on the select button, and then you want to select all of the ones that you want to save right here. And then what you need to do is click on this up arrow to save it right here. And then it's going to be scroll down, and then you're going to be seeing where it says save videos or save 3 videos. Click that, and then your videos are going to be saved to your gallery right here. So let's head over to the gallery on my iPhone. Then you see your video is saved on my gallery right here. You see the video is saved, and the picture and the discrete video is saved on my iPhone as well. The back camera is saved and the selfie camera is saved. So the separate videos are saved and the picture-in-picture video is saved on my iPhone. That's it for this video, guys, on how you can use all 3 cameras on your iPhone for the app called Double Take.